Alright, so easy to make. Just give it a stir. Today I've got you the breakfast, okay? In the breakfast, we want the duck roasted eggs, okay? So these are regular duck eggs. Here you go. These are a little bit bigger, they have more nutrition, they have more protein, and they are, I would say, they are the best tasting eggs. So first of all, what we will do, guys, we will in a bowl or in a pan or whatever, in a pot, boil some water, add a little bit of salt. So here the water is about to get boiled. We will add all our 6 eggs in the water. I hope they boil pretty well. So I got these eggs from Uber Eats delivery, and the driver, he was just playing with the bag like this when he was delivering the food. I hope they're not cracked. Okay, here we have a pan. Let's work on it. We will make a curry based sauce. Right here we will add some oil in the pan. This is fresh minced onion. Add that. This is our cumin, a famous cumin, half spoon of cumin. Trust me, it goes so pretty well. Here I have tomato paste, just regular tomato paste. I'm using fork, but fork or spoon, they both have the same quantity. At least 2 big spoons or big forks of tomato paste. And just land it here. It's all okay, it's all fine. We'll take some turmeric. Add half tablespoon of turmeric on top of it. This is red chili powder. It has to be a little bit. If you don't want to use this, it's all okay, but I will add half tablespoon of red chili powder. Take a look here, guys. This is cocoa, the leche. This is coconut milk. We will take some coconut milk, give it a stir. You see how thick it is? The coconut milk, it's gonna get a little bit watery, and this is what we need at this time. So this is how it's gonna look. So we'll take coconut milk just like this, and we will add it right here. Alright, so this is 13.5 ounces. We will add, or you can say to 400 ml. We will use only 200 ml for the 6 eggs. This is our curry leaves. Add at least 6 to 7 curry leaves in here. These are all the secrets, guys. They all give the delicious texture, delicious flavor to the recipe. You see how creamy and juicy it looks, isn't it? Oh yeah. We will roast this a little bit more, and then we will add our boiled duck eggs in here. It's so easy and it's full of flavor right here for our duck eggs. Alright, you'll add half tablespoon of salt in here. We'll put the stove on a medium flame because the sauce is thick and we don't want it to get burnt, or we want a little bit of watery texture to it. So now let's wait on our eggs. It's been 10 minutes. Our duck eggs has been boiled. We will rinse our eggs. We will drain our water, and then we will peel our eggs. So let's do that. Okay, so now it's time to peel our eggs, duck eggs. They are actually bigger than normal chicken eggs. These are the duck eggs, and they are hard boiled. Even their shell is thicker than the chicken eggs. If you guys see, it's like a big shell, like hard shell. Okay, just peel the egg. So once you boil it, try to use cold water on top of it, So it helps the shell to get separated, most of it. I'm just rushing this recipe, but you can take your own time. In the morning, in the breakfast, nobody has a lot of time, right? So once you peel the egg, take a knife and just make slight cuts on top of it. It's all okay. This is all the curry and the sauces. So just slight cuts on top of it. And then our seasoning has been roasted for 10 minutes and we will just land it right here. Same thing, repeat again. So we will repeat this process. The cut's gonna help for the seasoning to get in there to give extra good flavor. Guys, see, it's gonna be like this, and here you go. Still, it's gonna get a little bit roasted, and then it's gonna be a bomb flavorful recipe. All right, right here, all 6 eggs are here. Our seasoning, the gravy, the curry style seasoning is ready. Just give it a stir. They should be covering with our gravy, and trust me, this is it, guys. This is all our recipe right here in front of you. The duck egg recipe in the morning. Better than omelette, better than any other omelette recipe of the duck egg is right here in front of you guys. Here you go. This whole recipe gonna take 10 to 15 minutes to make. And I promise you, it's a flavorful recipe. It's a delicious recipe. So for now, I guess 3 eggs are enough for me. Here's the carbohydrates, natural. Have some toasted slice of bread. I'm using sourdough bread with it. So here you guys, this is beautiful. The egg curry, or you can call seasoned duck eggs, better than the omelette, is right here in front of you guys. So easy to make. It took me literally 15 minutes. The moment of truth. I had to put one more egg on top of it just to look good. This goes over bite in the morning. So it's hard boiled. It has the sauce. Just by tasting it, you can tell the duck eggs are rich eggs. And this sauce, bro, this is the main sauce. Sauce is the boss. It's packing all the flavors. Anyway, guys, let me enjoy this breakfast. Do try this recipe and enjoy by yourself. You know, it's so easy to make. It took me literally 15 to 20 minutes to make this breakfast in the morning. Duck egg in the seasoning, or you can call duck egg curry, or you can call duck egg breakfast right here with some bananas right here, fresh bread. I'm skipping the bread, but just by eating it just like this with the spoon or fork, they are packing a lot of punch. I still have 2 more left. Those will be for my dinner. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you soon.